Can your eviction attorney handle all a landlord's court appearances, including going to trial without the landlord coming to court? Hi, my name is Rob Wells. I'm the Landlord Warrior on TikTok and YouTube. Please feel free to like, share, subscribe to our videos. Now, occasionally we get a landlord that asks this question about, hey Rob, am I going to be, required to go into court with you, if, during the eviction process? And I tell my landlords, obviously your attorney can do a lot of work, and most things I can, appear on a landlord's behalf. However, one thing that I cannot do without the landlord or their authorized agent, in court, is if we have a contested case and we're required to go to a court trial, or any type of trial for that matter, any type of evidentiary hearing, I cannot testify on your behalf. The reason is simple. Unless I'm the property owner or I entered into the rental agreement with your tenant or collected the money or did whatever the essential features of your landlord-tenant relationship are, I can't testify. I don't have firsthand knowledge of that. Here's the deal, folks. In eviction cases, there's a thing called the rules of evidence. We have to comply with the rules of evidence, and there's certain ways we can get evidence into court. One of those things are going to be, testifying to the fact of the landlord-tenant relationship. Obviously, I can advocate, for a landlord on their behalf, but I can't testify as to the creation of the landlord-tenant relationship. I wasn't there unless it was my property, my deal, basically. I'm not going to know that information, so I can't testify, and you, the landlord, have to come in. So that's usually the reason why you got to come into court with your trial with your landlord's attorney when you go to court, because you have to establish certain key facts to prevail in an eviction case. And just one of those things where the landlord's attorney is probably 99.9%, unless it's their own property, they're not going to be able to competently testify in court. So that's why we need you here. Stay tuned for some other tips about what you can do to kind of remove yourself if you set things up in advance. If you have questions, comments, put them below. I'll try to answer any questions to the best of my ability. Until next time, folks, I'll see you then. Thanks.